Hey friends! Today we're making a hot milk cake that with every bite will make you feel like you're walking on clouds. Soft, fluffy, and super fragrant, filling the whole house with its aroma. So buckle up because we're baking it together. First, mix 2½ cups of flour with 2½ teaspoons of baking powder and set it aside. Mixing well is super important, so there won't be any lumps in the cake later, keeping it light and soft. Separating the eggs. We have 4 eggs, so let's separate the yolks from the whites. Whip the egg whites until they start foaming. Then gradually add 1/3 of the sugar while whipping until light and fluffy. When it looks like clouds, it's ready. Beat the yolks with the remaining sugar, a ½ teaspoon of vanilla, and 1½ teaspoons of ground cardamom. Until creamy and stretchy. Once it reaches a stretchy, creamy texture, it's ready to be combined with the other ingredients. Now comes the magical step. Prepare 1 cup of warm milk and add 1 tablespoon of saffron infusion and 2 tablespoons of rosewater. This step is optional, but the aroma takes everything to the next level. Add this mixture to the yolks and mix for just 15 seconds until smooth and combined. Add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and mix for another 15 seconds. Then take a break from mixing and let the batter catch its breath. Sift the flour and baking powder mixture in 2 parts. And gently fold it into the batter. Stir slowly to avoid lumps and keep the cake light and fluffy. Fold in the fluffy egg whites in 2 parts using the gentle folding method so the cake keeps its airiness. Here, you need to mix with love. Pour the batter into a pan greased with butter and dusted with flour. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 35 minutes. Insert a toothpick in the setter. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Wow, our cake is ready! Soft, fluffy, and delicious. I sprinkled powdered sugar, ground pistachios, and rose petals for a stunning look. Tip: serve with hot tea or coffee and enjoy the dreamy cake experience. So friends, how would you like to decorate your cake? Chocolatey, fruity, or classic? Write your ideas in the comments so we can gather tons of inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe with the bell so you never miss any of my delicious recipes.